Hello students, in the previous two videos I have told you about coal and petroleum. First part was introduction where I have told you what is resource, then natural resources, that are two types, exhaustible and inexhaustible resources. Then we have done with inexhaustible resources and exhaustible resources. Exhaustible resources, they are fossil fuels, coal, petroleum and natural gas. In this chapter, we are going to deal in detail with coal, petroleum and natural gas. Then I have told you about the fossil fuels. Then I told you about coal, its characteristics, its uses and its formation, and different varieties of coals. Today I will deal with destructive distillation of coal. Now what is destructive distillation of coal? It is heating of coal up to 1000 degrees Celsius in the absence of air. What is destructive distillation of coal? It is heating of coal up to 1000 degrees Celsius in the absence of air. So when we heat the coal to such a high temperature in the absence of air, we get the following products. These are coke, coal tar, coal gas and ammonical liquor. Now I will tell you in detail one by one. Now coke. It is the purest form of carbon. What is coke? It is the purest form of carbon. It is tough, porous and black in color. Its uses. It is used in manufacturing of steel and in the extraction of many metals. I repeat, coke. It is the purest form of carbon. It is tough, porous and black. It is used in manufacturing of steel and extraction of many metals. The next product that we get after destructive distillation of coal is the coal tar. Coal tar is also black, thick liquid. It is a liquid, black, thick liquid with unpleasant smell. It is a mixture of about 200 substances. It is used in the manufacturing of many things like paints, dyes, explosives, etc. Also the naphthalene balls that we use at home, that the white color balls that your mothers, you have seen that they use in the toilets and also in between the clothes, they are also made from the coal tar. Coal tar, it is thick liquid with unpleasant smell, black in color. It is used in making many things like paints, dyes, explosives, etc. And also the naphthalene balls, they are made from coal tar. Next product that we get is the coal gas. During that process, the gas we obtain is known as coal gas. It is used for lighting and in many industries. Other product that we get is the ammonical liquor. Ammonical liquor, it is the mixture of ammonia and water. When ammonical liquor, it is reacted with, when it is combined with the dilute sulfuric acid, it acts as an excellent fertilizer. So ammonical liquor is used for making fertilizers. This is about the destructive distillation of coal and the various products we get after the destructive distillation of coal.